Monday morning start and I'm already late. So as you can see, I'm wearing just a hoodie and I'm wearing sweats because I got PT later and I don't really like changing that much. So I have shorts on ready for PT, and then because usually they'll put like ice and stuff where I need to roll up my pant leg. So obviously if I wear skinny jeans, then it's not gonna pull up all the way. So that is why I'm wearing sweats and shorts. And unfortunately my mom is sick. She wasn't feeling well last night. Thank goodness my brother is home now, so he can kind of help take care of her, and also like drive. We have an extra car to drive around now, since my mom won't be driving. Yeah, let's hope traffic is not that bad, so that way I can potentially get to work on time. You definitely have a green light, sir. But yeah, I mean, Monday morning, I really don't know what to anticipate, honestly, because sometimes it's kind of bad, but sometimes it's not too bad. I mean, when I drove myself last week, I left the house at about 7:45 and I got to work at 8:15, which is 30 minutes, which is not bad at all considering how bad traffic can get. And I didn't have my mom, so I didn't have carpool. So that's a pretty good record. But I guess we'll see. We'll see how fast I get there. This is a chicken nugget fry. Very interesting. From Burger King. Welcome home.
I just ate food.
Alright,
Welcome back, dude. How's college, man?
It's cool. It's fun.
Oh, you're in your second year right now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice jacket.
Yeah, I look like